Are you on the hunt for stunning low-maintenance plants to add to your garden or indoor collection? If so, prepare to be dazzled by the charm and resilience of succulents. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 7 succulents that are not only eye-catching, but also easy to care for. First on our list is the Echeveria. Known for its architectural elegance, this succulent offers a wide array of colors and forms. They thrive best in well-draining soil and require plenty of sunlight to maintain their vibrant hues. Next, we have Sempervivum, also known as the house leek. This charming succulent forms neat rosettes that can add a touch of beauty to any space. It prefers cooler temperatures and is incredibly frost-tolerant, making it a fantastic outdoor option. Our third succulent, the aloe, is as sculptural as it is beneficial. With hundreds of varieties, each unique in its own way, aloe plants are a must-have. They require well-draining soil and indirect light, making them perfect for indoor settings. Sedum, our fourth succulent, is known for its captivating cascades. These low-growing plants make excellent ground covers and thrive in a variety of environments. They require minimal watering and lots of sunlight, making them a great option for those new to gardening. The fifth succulent on our list is the dramatic agave. With its bold rosettes and sharp edges, it's a striking addition to any collection. Agaves love the sun and prefer a dry environment, so be careful not to overwater. Next, we have the delicate beauty of Haworthia. These small, slow-growing succulents are perfect for indoor collections. They prefer indirect light and infrequent watering, making them a low-maintenance gem. Last, but certainly not least, is the crassula, also known as the jade plant. With its thick, glossy leaves and tree-like appearance, it's a popular choice among plant enthusiasts. It thrives in room-temperature environments with plenty of sunlight. To sum up, the top 7 succulents for stunning, low-maintenance beauty are Echeveria, Sempervivum, aloe, sedum, agave, Haworthia, and crassula. Each of these succulents brings a unique touch of natural artistry while requiring minimal care. With the right amount of sunlight, well-draining soil, and appropriate watering, these resilient plants will grace your space with their stunning presence year-round. So, whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner looking to green your space, these succulents are an excellent choice. Happy planting!